Comfort food is a type of cuisine that makes you feel nostalgic, warm, and cozy. And this dal is one such recipe. So let's make it. Here I have washed some split moong dal and toor dal in water thoroughly and soaked it for 20-30 minutes. Now to this we'll add turmeric, ghee, some green chillies, some finely chopped ginger and cook it up to 3 whistles. Once it is done, let it cool down. Next we'll start by making our first tadka. For this, heat some oil and ghee in a pan and add cumin seeds. Once it starts spluttering, add finely chopped garlic and cook till it becomes golden brown. Next, add chopped onions and cook until it turns slightly golden brown. Now one by one we'll add our spice powders. I'm adding turmeric, coriander powder, red chilli powder and cook them on a low flame for 30 seconds. Next add chopped tomatoes, a pinch of sugar and cook until the tomatoes become soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are done, now add the cooked dal and mix it. Next add some salt and water as required to adjust the consistency and bring it to a boil. Finally, add some finely chopped coriander leaves and turn off the flame. At last, we'll prepare our final tadka. For this, heat some oil and ghee in a small pan and add julienne ginger and fry for 30 seconds on a low flame. Then add some red chillies and some red chilli powder and immediately turn off the flame. Now give it a swirl and add this to the dal and enjoy it with hot rice. I hope you like this recipe and give it a try. Also, let me know what's your favorite comfort food in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more such updates. Until next time, see ya!